Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add delivery instructions on the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add delivery instructions on the Walmart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Now, there's multiple ways you can do this. One way is to click on the cart on the top right hand corner, then click on continue to checkout, click on no thanks. Then on the review order page, you can see here that there are delivery instructions. So we can require a handoff, we can leave it at the door, we can click on edit, we can choose the property type, drop off location, and delivery notes, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and leave delivery instructions on the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.